Tired of juggling two phones just to keep your personal and work WhatsApp accounts separate? Let's dive straight in. The easiest way to manage two WhatsApp accounts on one phone, if one of them is used less often, is through the Linked Devices feature. Open WhatsApp on your primary phone and go to Settings, usually found by tapping the three dots in the top corner. Find and select Linked Devices. You will need a secondary device to use this feature on your second phone. Open WhatsApp Web in a browser, or download WhatsApp Desktop, then scan the QR code displayed on your second phone using your primary phone to link the accounts. Now, you can use your primary WhatsApp account onto devices without needing your primary phone to be nearby. For a more permanent solution, many Android phones come with a built-in feature called Dual Messenger, App Clone, or Parallel Apps. The name varies depending on your phone's brand, but the function is the same. To find it, open your phone's settings and search for Dual Messenger, App Cloner, or Parallel Apps. In this case, we are using a Samsung phone. You'll see a list of apps that can be cloned. Find WhatsApp and toggle the switch to activate the cloning process. The phone will then install a second version of WhatsApp. You should now have two WhatsApp icons on your home screen. The cloned app usually has a small indicator to differentiate it from the original. Open the cloned WhatsApp app and go through the setup process just like you did when you first installed WhatsApp. Enter the phone number for your second WhatsApp account and verify it. And that's it. You're now running two separate WhatsApp accounts on one device. Easy, right? Now you can easily keep in touch with both your professional and personal lives.